Hello dear students, welcome back again to the maths class of Standard 5. We are studying chapter number 12 Smart Charts. Let us continue with the topic Growth Chart of a Plant. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. After that, it started growing faster. Student, here you can see in this table the days are given and here length of the plant in centimeter is given. In the first 4 days, it grew to 1.4 centimeter. Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. So here you can see that Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days. So 0 to 4, then 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16 and 16 to 20. In this way he measured the plant after every 4 days. For example, if you look at the dot mark on the 4th day, you can see on the left scale that it is 1.4 centimeter high. So student, let us look at the dot mark on the 4th day in the chart. Student, here you can see the chart and these dots. Here you can see days and here you can see length of plant in centimeter. In first 4 days, the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter. So these are 0 to 4 days and here is 2 and here is 1. So 1.4 centimeter is here. So Amit put dot to 1.4 centimeter. And then he put a second dot on this chart to 5.3 centimeter. Here you can see 5 and from 4 to 8 days it grew to 5.3 centimeter. And from 8 to 12 days, here is 9, so 9.5 centimeter. Then on 16th day, it grew to here 10, so here 10.2 centimeter. And on 20th day, it grew to here 10, so here 10.9 centimeter. So in this way, he put dots on the chart. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter and check from the table if he has marked the dots correctly. So now let us check from the table. So here is table. And Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. So in first 4 days it grew to 1.4 centimeter. It is correct. Then from 4 to 8 days 5.3 centimeter. Then from 8 to 12 days 9.5 centimeter. And from 12 to 16 days 10.2 centimeter. And from 16 to 20 10.9 centimeter. In this way, after every 4 days, he put a dot on the chart. So we can say that he has marked the dot correctly. So student, here you can see this chart. Here days are given and here length of plant in centimeter are given, and here is scale from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And here are given days from 0 to 4, 8, 12 and so on. And here are the dots marked by Amit after every 4 days here. Now proceeding further, here are given question. Find out from the growth chart between which days did the length of the plant change the most? From 0 to 4 or 4 to 8 or 8 to 12, 12 to 16 or 16 to 20. To answer this question, we have to see in the chart. So here you can see from 0 to 4 days, it grew to 1.4 centimeter. Then from 4 to 8 days, 5.3 centimeter. And from 8 to 12 days, 9.5 centimeter. And from 12 to 16, 10.2 centimeter. And from 16 to 20, 10.9 centimeter. So from this we can see between which days did the length of the plant change the most. So here we can see that from the 8 to 12 days, means between 8 to 12 days, the height of the plant changed the most. Now let us see the second question. Second question is, what would be the length of this plant on the 14th day? Guess. So on 14 days, length of the plant is not given. This we have to guess. So we can guess this by seeing the chart here. We can see here, so on 12th day it grew to 9.5 centimeter, and on 16th day it grew to 10.2 centimeter. So the answer should be between these numbers. So let us see the options. Here first option is 8.7 centimeter. So it is not correct because it is less than 9.5 centimeter. So it is not correct option, then 9.9 centimeter. So this we will see afterward. Then third option 10.2 centimeter. 10.2 centimeter it grew on 16 day. So this is also not correct. And fourth option is 10.5 centimeter. But it grew 10.2 centimeter on 16 day. So it cannot grow 10.5 centimeter on 14 day because it should be less than that. So here option 2 is correct, that is 9.9 centimeter. Now question number C. Will the plant keep growing all the time? What will be its length on the 1000 day? Make a guess. So student, here we can answer this question. The plant will not keep growing in the height all the time. I think it's on the 100th day, maybe 16.4 centimeter. Student, here we are completing the chapter number 12, Smart Charts. Study all the questions of this chapter well. I hope you have understood the solution of these questions. Next chapter we will start chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide in the next coming session. Thank you.